Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print a web page in Edge app on iPhone. So before proceeding with the print command, what you need to do is you need to first configure your iPhone with the printer. So you have a printer machine and there will be a manual with it which helps you configuring your printer along with your iPhone. Once you're connected, then you should proceed with these steps. So once the printer is connected, launch your Edge app and open any web page that you want to print. Say suppose it's the page that I want to print. So in order to do that, what I can do is I can just tap on this 3-bar options, and within here at the bottom you would be able to see the share command. Just select that, which will open this small pane, and within this pane you would have this print command. Just choose that and it will open the print preview mode where you have the option to choose the printer. If the printer is already connected, you would be able to see the connected printer here. Just choose that printer that is connected, and once the printer is connected, you have this other options where you can choose the number of copies, range, orientation, layout and other stuff, and also you would be able to see the print preview in here. So once that is done, you can just tap on this print command, which is currently disabled for me because there are no printers active. So if you have the printer connected, then the print command will be accessible. Just tap on this print command and it will automatically give a printing instruction to the printing machine that is connected with your iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.